Hello, my YouTube people. How you doing today? It is Vlogmas number 24. As promised, I have something so special to share with all of you. So this Vlogmas is called Noche Buena, and I just wanted to dedicate this segment to my father. As you know, my father passed away in 2020, and the holidays have never been the same. Since he died during the pandemic, we weren't able to hold a memorial, and we weren't able to bid him farewell as he deserved. And it's taken me a while to do something special for him because nothing really is special enough until now. So I wanted to do a piece. He loved the Yankees. I wanted to do a piece about the Yankees. He loved horse races. I wanted to do a piece with horse races. And it was just bothering me that it just didn't seem good enough. Nothing seemed good enough. No matter what I thought about, it just wasn't good enough. And then it came to me. I had started a painting a while back called Cacique. And it's my most favorite painting. It has a lot of history behind it. It has a lot of meaning behind it. And as Taíno, for Noche Buena Vlogmas, in dedication to my father, I'm gonna finish Cacique in front of you all. So I hope that you like it. Here we go. So what is a cacique? A cacique in Puerto Rican context refers to a tribal chieftain of the Taíno people, the indigenous inhabitants of the island, who led a village or yucayeque and held a position of power within their community. Cacique is a Spanish word derived from the Taíno word cacique, meaning chief or leader. The cacique was responsible for the welfare of the village, making decisions on matters of governance, religion, and community protection. In the town of Isabela in Puerto Rico, a bust of Cacique has been carved into a clipped wall as a reminder of the role this well-respected Taíno chieftain played in Puerto Rico's early history. It is a primary example of Taíno sculpture in the island. La Cara del Indio is a giant sculpture of a Taíno chief carved in stone and embedded into a mountain. Chief Mabodamaca welcomes visitors to Isabela in the western region of Puerto Rico. The sculpture is carved by artisan Isaac Laboy. So why did I decide to make this painting? I made this painting after a trip to Puerto Rico where I encountered this cacique on the side of the mountain. It left such an impression on me, and I decided that I had to paint him. But I didn't just want to paint him. I wanted to create him out of natural elements and include him into my series Basurarte that I was thinking of starting. So Basurarte means trash art. So cacique is made out of toilet paper rolls, beads, leftover sticks, feathers, and clay, and leftover jewelry. His spear is made out of clay. I wanted this piece to be authentic and not fabricated. I wanted the pieces to be of earth and look like if it was natural, and I wanted the piece to look like Cacique himself was stepping out of the picture. Now, thinking upon what to do for this Vlogmas special night on the 24th, I wanted to honor my dad. And now, when I was faced with Vlogmas 24, I decided I know the perfect thing to do to honor my dad, and that is to finish the painting of Cacique on YouTube for all of you to see, while telling the story of my dad. My dad was a great man. Although grumpy, he was a man of few words, and he just loved his girls. And he was a family man. He was the ultimate family man. The example that he set forth taught me how to work hard, how to believe in myself, and how to go for the things that I want. Although he never physically said those things, his actions led to my actions. He led by example. I thank my father for being the man that he was. I wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for him. I grew up celebrating Noche Buena, where my dad used to just put on his white turtleneck and just play the old record player, and he played the same playlist every year. It was the same songs, and I just think that this was the most I've seen him happy. This was definitely his happiest time of year. I can still see him smiling with his white turtleneck, clapping to the same old songs. My dad he just had a very strong presence, and you knew that he was all about protecting his family. He gave me everything that I could ever wish for, plus more. Today, I'm proud to present to you Cacique in honor of my Cacique. So yeah, there you have it. There is Cacique and the story of my Cacique. And I hope that you all enjoyed it. I hope that you have a very wonderful holiday with your family and friends. And, you know, hug somebody special tonight. Tell people that you love them. I will see you tomorrow for the end of Vlogmas. I cannot believe that I said that. So it's the end of Vlogmas tomorrow. So there it is. We are going to have a special segment called Restmas. And that is, I'm not going to tell you. You're just going to have to tune in and see. So if you are new here, my name is Maria. I go by A Talented Latina. If you see value in this video, please like, please subscribe. But most of all, especially today, please comment. I love to hear the comments. So I will see you tomorrow for our last Vlogmas this year. Vlogmas number 25. Peace.